Wheels. Introduction. We use wheels every day. All wheels are round, but some wheels are big and some wheels are little. Wheels can do many things. Where are these wheels? Where can you see other wheels? Now, read and discover more about wheels. Chapter 1. What are wheels? Wheels are machines. Wheels are round and they turn. People use wheels to do many things. People use wheels to carry things. This wheelbarrow has one wheel at the front. The girl walks and the wheel turns. People use wheels to move. This school bus has 4 big wheels. It carries lots of people. Wheels are fun too. Look at these roller skates. A roller skate has 4 little wheels. With roller skates, people can move fast. Chapter 2. Carts and chairs. In a store, people use a shopping cart to carry many things. The cart has little wheels. People can push and pull the cart. A stroller has wheels too. People push the strollers and babies can sleep in them. Some people can't walk. They use wheelchairs to move. They push the big wheels with their hands. People use wheelchairs in sports. These people are in a long race. They can go 42 kilometers in 2 hours. Chapter 3. Bicycles. Do you have a bicycle? Bicycles have 2 wheels. You use your legs to turn the wheels. You wear helmets to protect your head. Some bicycles can go very fast. These people are in a race. Look at this bicycle wheel. It's a metal wheel with a rubber tire. The tire helps the wheel to turn on bumpy roads. You use a pump to put air into the tire. A unicycle has 1 wheel. It's fun to ride. Chapter 4. Cars, planes, trains. Cars, planes, and trains all have wheels. They have an engine too. The engine makes the wheels turn fast. How many wheels does a car have? It has 4 wheels. It has a steering wheel too. You turn the steering wheel and the car moves left or right. A plane uses wheels to move very fast, and then it flies into the sky. How many wheels can you see? Trains have metal wheels. The wheels turn on a metal track. Chapter 5. Wheels for Fun. People use wheels for fun too. You can see many wheels at the fairground. This big wheel turns, and people go round and round. This wheel is a merry-go-round. Children stand on the wheel. Other people push it round and round. Many toys have wheels. This toy has little wheels. Children sit on it and they use their legs to move. A yo-yo is a wheel. It turns fast and goes up and down. Chapter 6. Wheels to cut. People use wheels to cut things. A round metal saw is very sharp. The saw uses electricity to turn very fast. It can cut many things. This round saw can cut wood. Wheels can cut food too. You can push this cutter on a pizza. The metal wheel turns and it cuts the pizza. This combine harvester has wheels to move and wheels to cut. The metal wheels are very sharp and they turn fast. The combine harvester moves and the metal wheels cut the wheat. Chapter 7. Wheels at Home. People use wheels to do many things at home. Look in your home. How many wheels can you find? This clock has many wheels inside. The wheels turn together and they make the hands move. This rolling pin is a long wheel. People use a rolling pin to make bread and cookies. Do you know people can paint with wheels? People use a roller to paint walls. Chapter 8. Water and Wind. People use rivers and the wind to turn wheels. This is an old watermill. The water in the river turns a big wheel. The big wheel turns other wheels in the watermill. and wheels make flour from wheat. A wind turbine has wheels inside. The wind turns the wheels. This makes electricity. We use wheels every day, and they help us do many different things. Which is your favorite wheel?